Lesson 3. The User Manual. Introduction. These days, almost everything we buy comes with a user manual, that small indispensable booklet. The moment we open the box of an appliance or furniture, the first thing that we look for is the user manual. This booklet or leaflet shows us how to assemble, how to use, how to troubleshoot, and relevant information about this appliance or furniture. Imagine buying an appliance just to realize that it does not have a user manual. Imagine buying new furniture in a box and realizing that it does not contain assembly instructions. It would definitely be very difficult to find your way through. While our appliances come with user manuals, our paychecks don't come with them. When it's payday, our pays get thrown at us and we are left to figure out based on our own limited understanding. Imagine how easier it would be if our paychecks came with specific instructions on how to use your money in a way that leads you to the life that you desire. Wouldn't that be great? Well, financial literacy and a mindset shift is the user manual of your money. Here we shall set you up to be the master of your money and not the servant. You will develop the aptitude to take control of your finances and your future. You are so blessed to have this opportunity to learn what many people don't know exists. Financial literacy has been kept from the masses for so long, and many people don't know that it's the solution to their financial problems. As one of my favorite quotes goes, "If you give a man fish, he will be hungry tomorrow. If you teach a man how to fish, he will be richer forever." Summary. Financial literacy is the user manual that will guide you to make the most efficient and informed decisions in all areas of your financial assets. While mindset shift will equip you with the new set of attitudes that will enable you to attain any desired level in your life. End of lesson.